We just moved the chickens to a new pasture, just moved their house. We do that about once a week or so, and you can tell they like it. Basically, they get new carpet and a new yard. All they have to do is walk along and get it. If you ever wonder what chickens do all day, at least chickens that are healthy chickens that have a good life, this is what they do. This is what the ones inside do. One of them's over here picking at my radio. Just kind of hang out and be a chicken. Hi. Clean their feathers. Look at me. Let's see what's going on. So again, we just moved them to a new paddock. In general, we don't mow the farm. We don't mow for hay. It's because we let the cows and the sheep and the chickens graze it themselves. We do buy some hay when our numbers need it, but we don't always. But this is one place where we do mow. We found that the chickens will use the grass much better if we mow. You can see over there basically really tall grass and weeds, and the chickens just don't go out in it because they don't feel safe with the predators. But if we mow this down first, then you can see what they do. They just spread out and go everywhere. So they'll get a lot more of their feed off of the grass and the pasture if we do that. And they fertilize it much better also. You see all that clover and grass? In a week, that clover and grass will all be gone. It will be converted into good protein, good fat, and placed in your eggs. And then that will go in you, and it's a neat cycle. So I try to stay real positive and not say much about the bad factory farm ways of how America's food is done in general. But think about bird flu, and then you think about what you see here. Now, is it a surprise that when you put, I don't know what, 4 million birds in 50 acres or something like that, that they get sick? Is it a surprise? No. Is it a surprise that animals, chickens kept like this, don't get sick and are healthy? I would say no.